Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush the Discovery Boss here with another update for you guys. So no drone shots today because we know the drone has been destroyed, so it's just some drone shots today. So we're over by Portmore Pines, taking a look at a commercial area. So we have to call it a commercial area that is being developed because we have call centers, new plaza, we have PriceSmart, which is pretty new, and then we also have Fontana pharmacy that's coming as well. So it's an entire area being developed. Over here we have 3 call centers, IBEX. Building 1 to the furthest left is finished, building 2 is also finished, both is occupied, and then we have building 3 which is almost finished. So call centers on a whole bring a lot of human resources, human traffic, because you know it's persons that take calls. So one thing these call centers will bring is a lot more people to the area. So especially food establishments and public transportation would benefit a lot, because persons will have to eat and will have to travel. Each one of these buildings probably can hold probably 1,000 or probably even 1,500 people. So we're looking at these, you know, at least 3,000 people or more that will be in these buildings. And then right beside it we have a mega plaza that's almost open. 1, 2, 3, basically 4 floors. So I'm sure this will benefit from the population as well. So this entire area was just empty land a few years ago, probably 3 years ago. So now we have call centers. Around the other side we have Fontana pharmacy, which is coming right beside PriceSmart. Down the road we have Sovereign Village, which is a shopping center again. So lots of development in this area. I personally like this area. I think if I'm gonna live in Portmore, I think I would probably get somewhere close to here, because almost every business or service you need is close to here. And I'm sure these commercial development will also push up the house cost and rental cost a little bit more as well. Right, so Portmore Pines, Portmore, Brayton Parkway, that's where we're at. Remember to subscribe, guys. Subscribing is free. Remember to like and comment as well. Really appreciate the support, and you know, even without the drone the channel has to go on. So thank you guys for all the support. Alright, so this is another section. So again, that's the plaza. So this would be the side view of the plaza. So it's kind of narrow, but it's very wide. So we'll try to go around the front so you guys can see how wide it is. And then Fontana and PriceSmart is to the right. So yeah, so that's where we're at, Portmore. Just taking a look on some of the development in this area. Alright, so the name I see on the plaza is Hung, H-U-N-G, Way, W-A-Y, Shopping Mall. So it looks like it's a Chinese developer. Sure, it took a lot of money to build this though, because it's not like it's just a big empty warehouse space. It's a lot of glass, a lot of shops, a lot of division, 1, 2, 3 floor for the most part, and plus a rooftop area probably for a club or bar. At night these lights are very pretty. I'm gonna try to capture it one of the nights, give a little Dubai vibes. These lights are very beautiful at night. So this is the mega mall, soon to be opened. I'm sure they will be finished before Christmas based on the rate of work. Well, hopefully they're finished before Christmas, who knows. So yeah, Alright, so again guys, just keeping you posted on developments happening in this area. We have the Silverstone community right next door. Right over here is Silverstone. If you guys are living in Portmore, let me know in the comments. If you guys used to live in Portmore, let me know in the comments as well. Let me know what you think about this mall, location and everything, colors, everything. And again, in the comment I'll put the drone videos I did previously so you guys can see some aerial shots if you haven't yet done so. And remember to leave your comments, remember to like, share. Subscribing is also free, so feel free to subscribe. Alright, so we have, as you can see, Price Mart Portmore. Then right beside Price Mart is the new Fontana pharmacy, almost finished. So based on how things look, this will be the back. So I guess they don't want to create more traffic right here by putting the entrance and exit. But I guess Price Mart had no choice. But because it's a corner lot here, they can put the entrance and exit on the side around there. Yeah, so that's a development happening this side, and I'll put in the link, one of my drone video that captures this entire area so you guys can get some aerial shots since we don't have the drone to use right now. Alright, and this is the intersection here. We have Total Energies over there, then Scotia Bank, and then beside that we have Sovereign, which has a food court and a lot of shops as well. Over this Total is another drive-through car wash. So the other day I highlighted the second drive-through car wash in Kingston, which is at the intersection of Mullines and Boulevard. I'm not sure if it's only two that Total Energies have in Jamaica, but those are the two I know. This one and the one in Mullines. And then that's the new plaza over there again. Not sure if you guys can see good, but again, I'll put drone videos in the comments so you guys can get some aerial shots of the area. Alright, so this is the back area of Fontana. We have CIBC around here. There's also that new blue and yellow building. Not sure what's gonna go there. Some drainage work. Again, blue and white building. Could be a JN Bank, not sure. Because you know, blue and white colors are iconic to certain business. It's also an isolated building. So they possibly could be putting a JN Bank right next to a CIBC. Price Mart here, and then all the parking for the Fontana. So new Fontana almost open. Alright guys, so you saw it here first.